Do you know how to track your net worth like a pro? If not, you could be missing out on an essential tool for building wealth and staying financially organized. Tracking your net worth isn't just about how much you own. It's a snapshot of your total assets minus liabilities, showing you exactly where you stand. So, how do the pros do it? How do they track their net worth easily and effectively? In this video, we'll explore the top 8 ways to track your net worth like a pro, from automation tools to hands-on strategies that keep you in control of your financial progress. These ways will help you stay on top of your financial game and make smarter money moves. Let's get started. 1. Automate with a wealth dashboard. When tracking your net worth, automation is key. Platforms like Empower, formerly Personal Capital, aggregate all your financial accounts, bank, brokerage, and retirement into one dashboard. This tool updates your net worth in real time, saving you from the hassle of manual entry. Automating this process lets you effortlessly track assets and liabilities over time without lifting a finger. By streamlining your finances into one easy-to-manage platform, you can stay on top of your net worth growth without worrying about constant monitoring. Plus, automation provides the clarity you need to spot trends in your financial data, so you can adjust your strategy to meet your goals. 2. Use a hybrid spreadsheet approach. While automation tools are incredibly helpful, combining them with a customizable spreadsheet approach can elevate your tracking game. Professionals often use platforms like Tiller Money or Financial Aha to sync their bank accounts with personalized spreadsheets. This hybrid method combines the best of both worlds, offering automation while still giving you the flexibility to tweak and analyze data in a way that fits your personal goals. With this system, your transactions and account balances are automatically fed into the spreadsheet, but you also have full control over how you categorize your expenses and investments. You can create custom charts and set up what-if scenarios that help you plan for future financial milestones. This method allows you to track your net worth in a way that is completely tailored to your needs, making it more efficient and effective than relying on a one-size-fits-all solution. 3. Account for invisible assets and liabilities. Professional net worth tracking isn't just about monitoring your bank balances. It's about understanding your full financial picture, including assets and liabilities that might not be immediately obvious. For example, if you own a home, it's essential to include the current market value of your property in your net worth calculation. Using tools like Zillow or Property Guru, you can periodically update your home's value to ensure it's reflected accurately in your total net worth. Additionally, it's crucial to account for private assets. Think things like high-end collectibles, jewelry, or business equity that may not show up on traditional financial statements. These hidden assets can be a significant portion of your wealth, but they're often overlooked in standard tracking systems. Another important area to consider is invisible liabilities, such as buy now, pay later, BNPL balances, or private loans that might not be visible on your regular credit report. Tracking these liabilities ensures you're not overlooking any financial obligations that could affect your overall net worth. Professional trackers take the time to list everything, visible and invisible, so that their net worth reflects a true and complete picture of their financial standing. This holistic approach allows you to see both the assets you've accumulated and the debts you need to manage, ensuring you don't miss any critical information when planning your financial future. 4. Implement monthly snapshotting. Rather than checking your net worth daily, professionals recommend taking a formal snapshot once a month. This approach strikes the perfect balance. It's frequent enough to track trends and changes, but not so often that you become overwhelmed by daily market fluctuations or small, short-term variations in your finances. By creating a monthly habit of snapshotting, you can track your progress over time without being swayed by the constant ebb and flow of the market. This method allows you to stay grounded in your long-term financial goals and avoid reacting impulsively to temporary dips in your net worth. Plus, it's easier to notice patterns or trends in your financial data when you take a step back and look at your finances from a monthly perspective. For example, if you notice that your net worth has been growing consistently for several months, this can be a strong indicator that you're on the right track with your savings and investment strategies. On the other hand, if you see a sudden drop, it gives you the opportunity to review your spending habits and make adjustments accordingly. The key here is consistency and discipline. Taking the time once a month to review your finances ensures you stay informed and in control of your financial future. 5. Multi-currency and global tracking. If you have international assets, use specialized tools that track global accounts accurately. Standard apps often fail to properly convert foreign balances, which can lead to inaccuracies in your net worth calculation. Tools like Know Your Dash or Kabura handle multiple currencies and global bank connections. These platforms allow you to view all your international holdings in one place, ensuring your net worth is calculated accurately across borders. For anyone with assets or investments abroad, having a global tracking tool is essential for managing a diverse financial portfolio and staying on top of your net worth. 6. Forecast future milestones. Professional trackers don't just look at the present. They also plan for the future. Tools like PocketSmith offer calendar-based forecasting, which allows you to project your net worth several years down the road. By inputting your current spending habits, income, and investment growth, these tools generate a projected future value of your net worth, helping you identify whether you're on track to meet your long-term financial goals. This type of forward-looking tracking is incredibly valuable for anyone serious about wealth building. By forecasting your future milestones, you can adjust your savings and investment strategies before it's too late. Whether you're saving for a major purchase, a dream vacation, or retirement, understanding how your current financial choices affect your future can help you make more informed decisions today. Forecasting also gives you the chance to plan for potential financial hurdles, whether that's adjusting for inflation, preparing for market downturns, or making sure you're saving enough for retirement. By being proactive, you can take the necessary steps to ensure your financial goals are achievable and realistic. 7. Analyze your money ratios. Looking at a single net worth number doesn't give you the full picture of your financial health. Professionals know that it's just as important to analyze financial ratios, such as the age-income ratio, age x pre-tax income/10, which helps determine whether you're on track for your life stage. This ratio can give you an idea of how much wealth you should ideally have accumulated by a certain age based on your income. Analyzing your money ratios helps you understand if you're saving enough or if you're falling behind. If your net worth is lower than expected based on your income and age, it could be a sign that adjustments need to be made in your financial habits, such as increasing savings or focusing more on investments. Another ratio to track is your debt-to-income ratio. This number tells you how much of your monthly income is going towards servicing debt, helping you determine if you need to pay off more debt to improve your financial standing. Monitoring your ratios regularly helps you stay on track and gives you measurable goals to strive for. 8. Set collaborative family dashboards. Wealth management is often a team effort. If you share finances with a partner or family, it's important to have a collaborative overview of your financial situation. Apps like Monarch Money offer a household view where everyone can see the full financial picture without needing to share individual login credentials. This transparency helps ensure everyone is on the same page, whether you're saving for a home or planning for retirement. Collaborative dashboards also make it easier to stay aligned on financial goals and track progress together. This approach helps you work as a team, strengthening your financial foundation for the future. There you have it, 8 professional methods to track your net worth and keep your finances in check. Whether you prefer automation or manual tracking, these strategies give you the tools to stay organized and on track with your wealth-building goals. Remember, tracking your net worth is about more than just numbers. It's about making smarter, more informed financial decisions. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.